So here we go. Dobré ráno.
Dobrý, duckies.
Falls down and then it is there is a conveyor going in.
Oh, it smells awesome.
And it brings the cabbage inside.
Michael and Teresa and Greta have brought me to the local cabbage shop, which is a traditional processing plant here in Slovakia.
The conserved veggies, as you see here in this small.
Okay, yeah.
Small
Good onions, cauliflower, gherkins. That's a mixture. Capsicum stuffed with cabbage, cheese, sweet corn. This is where the cabbage is fermenting right now.
Here and also in the small ones there.
Okay. Wow. Fermented cabbage water.
Yes.
But it's not alcoholic. It's just.
It's not. No.
Just the juice.
Exactly. But very, very sour.
It's cabbage and beetroot, onions, gherkins, cauliflower. Right, I've come away with my bucket of sour cabbage. That was a wonderful experience. Not only did I get to sit out a very rainy day yesterday, but it was so cool to hang out with the family this morning and go and see the cabbage shop. And now I'm going to put my gloves on because it's blooming freezing. About these Tesco's is they don't have a bench to sit on like the ones in England, so I'm squatting here for my some kind of Christmassy roll, chocolate roll. A coconut, raspberry jam, and I think a bit of cream cheese filling. smooth for a while, but this part of the bike lane is pretty tiresome. And it's into a headwind, which is annoying. I'm tired and cold and uncomfy, and it's still 13 kilometres to the spot which I plan to camp. It's a place on Overlander, although I'm sure I can find somewhere before then if I want to, but I should crack on and stop my whinging. It's not raining, so that's nice. There might be some people camping here tonight. The river is quite high and it did rain a lot yesterday, so I guess not. Oh, I think it's just started to rain. So the thing is, it's all tracks along here and they're zooming around in four-wheel drive, so I don't want to get run over in my sleep. But this, I think, is safe enough away from the track. You just can see it from the campfire over there. There goes one of the cars past now. So it's not very well hidden, this spot, but I shouldn't get run over. So my last night in Slovakia is a rainy one, but I have some Slovakian wine, some Slovakian cheese and some Slovakian cabbage to go with my Slovakian rain. Cheers to Slovakia! Love it!